Hello everyone. So today we're gonna have a weekly review, and it's going to be really simple. Hello everyone. So today we're going to do our weekly review, and I'm going to start off with Bitcoin. So last week our trade for Bitcoin, our sell was excellent. We hit TP, and it was exactly as it was meant to be. For some certain reason, price did not take out this draw on liquidity, which is unusual. But due to the war, price is just moving in a funny way. So let's go to the monthly time frame so that we understand where we are with Bitcoin. So on the monthly outlook, it is obvious that Bitcoin has been bearish since last year, October. Yes, since October 2025. Since 1st of October, 2025. Bitcoin has just been bearish. It's been going down. Nothing's happening. And it's just been going down. And since from there, we've just been in a downtrend. So currently, we are in 2026 and we are in a downtrend. The first quarter of the year has finished and we finished in a downtrend. Nothing changed. There was no bearish move at all. There was no bullish moves. All bullish moves were meant to help price eventually go down. So if we look at it, we just finished the month of March with a strong bullish candlestick. So we're in the month of March here, right? It says finished, and we're going to form the candlestick for April. So price initially bought from this monthly odd candlestick here. It mitigated, it bought, and it's slightly buying up. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. Right, on the weekly time frame, if you have observed, price has just been consolidating. Nothing much is really happened. It's just consolidation upon consolidation. Because if we look at it, price went down, right, created a new low, then from there it's just been going up. It's not much that's happening, just down. Okay, here, okay, created a new high, then just been going down. Maybe here, and today we're here. Price has just been moving within a certain accumulation. Now we like to call those areas accumulation boxes. It's been moving between these areas. It's literally stuck within this box. Price, it's failing. Price is literally right. It's been accumulating within this range here. From here, to be more precise, from here, it's just been accumulating. Nothing's really happening. It's moving between here, this area to this area. So if you think about it, you've got your resistance and you've got your support. So it's accumulating within this one. It's nothing much that's happening. Nothing is going up, nothing's going down. It's just been accumulating within this area. And it's still accumulating. For the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks of the year, price has just been accumulating. Right, so there's no clear bias of it going up or going down. It's just been moving within, consolidating, ranging within that area. So we want to see, if we see an accumulation box, we'd like to see either price will go out, right, then distribute up, right, whether it decides to distribute up, right, maybe it will decide to come down small, go up, whatever it is it decides to do, right? Whatever it decides. Or price will do the following. It will come and take out this area here into this zone, then sell here before buying all the way up. Right, we like to see such kind of action, but it will depend, right? All roads lead to the bull run eventually. Now let's go to the daily. So for this week we are still consolidating. Now for the daily, right, we are currently in a downtrend. Price is currently selling, right, from a balanced price range. It's going to sell and sell. I believe this time when it sells, it will take out this sell side liquidity that's just been sitting there for a really long time. Nothing has been happening. But if we go to the 4-hour, right, price is currently selling from this what we call balanced price range. What is a balanced price range? It's an area where there are multiple fair value gaps. There's a fair value gap here, there's a fair value gap here, there's a fair value gap here. So this is a valid zone for a balanced price range, right? So price is selling from there. Now we would have entered for a sell here. Let's just say we missed here because we missed here, but price already has mitigated this order block, right? It filled this fair value gap and entered this order block. So let's just say we are trying to re-enter, right? We can still re-enter. Now let's go to the 1 hour. Now price will most likely come back here. Now this one is a powerful confirmation. This is called a bearish candlestick confirmation. A bearish candlestick formation, confirmation, right? Formation, right? Now whenever we see price create this kind of candlestick pattern, it gives us confirmation that price is bearish. Price is moving toward that direction, right? So I am confident that price will come back here. We will sell from this 1 hour. I'd like to see price come here, then from here it will sell all the way down, right? I'd like to see price sell all the way down into this zone here finally, right? Now I'm waiting for price to come here and enter. Now other things, confirmation here we've got, right, because price was going up. It's a shift in market structure, right? Because we were selling, we were buying, right? Then price changed. There's our shift in market structure. Right, break of structure there. Then we have another break of structure. This is a clean setup. Right, right. So I would like to see price buy from there, right? So I'm going to wait for price and then I buy from there. I'm definitely going to buy from this zone, right, to take out this sell side liquidity that's just been sitting there. It's time for it to be taken out. It's just been sitting and sitting and sitting and sitting. Nothing is happening, right? So I'm going to wait for price to come, then I buy from there. And like to see price. So we have a sell setup. I'm going to sell Bitcoin from that area all the way down here. And I'll put my TP, my stop loss right there. Even better, I'll put my stop loss here. It's too much, huh? Right above here. Right. So this is for Bitcoin. Okay, now let's go to other time frames. Okay, let's go to other time frames. Let's go to the DXY so that we understand how the dollar is operating. Let's go to the weekly time frame for the dollar. Okay, so the dollar, right? Okay, now the dollar is officially, right, it's now selling. It's now time for the dollar to sell. It's consolidating. There's no real movement. It was currently going up. If you check, it went up, right? It went up, right? Once it went up, it accumulated. And it went up. Now it's accumulating, right? So we'd like to see it go up and take out this. That's what I would expect for Bitcoin. Right now it's accumulating. Sorry, for the dollar. The dollar is currently accumulating. So no clear buy or sell, right? So it's accumulating between this. Just say accumulating, right? Price moves in patterns. Price always moves in patterns. It was doing the exact same thing in the month of February. Now it's doing the exact same thing in the month of April, because price always moves in patterns. That's one thing about price. It was accumulating just here in February. It accumulated from February 22nd February all the way up to 23 February. Now it's been accumulating from 9 March. Today it's 6 April. It's accumulating. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Right? So that you understand how price moves. You see? That's what I'm talking about. Accumulation. Right? Price always moves in patterns. That's one thing you need to understand. Price always moves in patterns. On the daily again, it's doing the same thing. It's accumulating. You see, even here, it sold up, accumulated, sold up, accumulated, sold up, accumulated, sold up, accumulated. So it's accumulating. You see, it always accumulates. You understand? So that's one thing to take note when you're dealing with these pairs. They have a tendency of accumulating. So right now, as we are accumulating, right, we don't have a clear trend. We don't know if it's going up. We know it's going up, but right now there's no action. It's in an uptrend, but it's currently accumulating. It's ranging. If we go to the 4 hour, right? Go to the 4 hour. Price is in an uptrend, right? Price wants to here, head, shoulder, right? Price bought from here, So we are in an uptrend right now. We are currently in an uptrend. Good. We are in an uptrend. Okay. So right now would expect price to come here. This is a continuation of a pattern, right? So let's see price. This is my right. That here is your inducement, right? So would expect price to come down here and buy. That's what I want to see from price. Okay. Now let's go to the JPY index. All right, now Japanese yen for the week. Let's just check. Excellent. All right, Japanese yen is currently accumulating on the weekly time frame. There's nothing that's really going on here. Just accumulating, just accumulation here. Nothing really going on. It's consolidating. And if we go to the daily, very good. This highlight. Exactly. Nothing is happening. It's just consolidating from one point to another. Right? Price bought from here. Right? It bought from this point. So it's kind of there's no actual structure. Let's see. Okay, so it's in an uptrend. Price is actually in an uptrend. Sweet. So we're actually in an uptrend. And this uptrend is an indication that we are currently, we are in a bullish, in what we call a bullish channel. Now, normally when you see a bullish channel, this is a flag. What I'm seeing is a flag. I'm predicting price. Normally when I see price like this, and it's going like this, I expect this from experience, from what I've seen, from what I know. So I would expect price to actually sell. I'm expecting a massive sell because it's just been, at the same time, it's ranging. It's in a ranging structure. It bought here, it went up, it came back again, took out. It's been taking out, right? Creating breakout structures. So I would like to see price take out this drawn liquidity. That's my expectation. That's my expectation for this JPY index. Now let's go to Euro USD. let's see how it's moving. Okay, now Euro USD, there we go. It's currently it's in an uptrend and it's yet to buy. So I'd like to see sell from this zone here. I'd see it sell. To see it sell. It's buying right now. It bought from this zone here. Right, it's buying. So I would like to see it sell to this area here. But let's go to the daily. Right, so it bought from this area here. I would like to see it go to this point here. Right, would like to see it buy to that point here. I'm not trading Euro USD these days. I rarely trade it because of the war. It's just too much. And we've got a daily average that's just sitting there. It doesn't be mitigated. And liquidity has been taken out here. And it just bought from this area here. Liquidity was taken out and it bought from here. Price was sold from this zone here. Was bought from this zone here. Right? Right, it bought from this zone here. Right, so I'd like to see it take out all this liquidity. We've got a lot of liquidity here. We've got this liquidity here. Right, we've got this liquidity here. Up to all this way here. That's how I'm expecting price to move, to go all the way up there. Liquidity was also taken out here. It was swept here. It's an inducement. Right? The inducement was taken out from there. I'd like to see price push all the way up. Now let's go to still on EU. So let's see how we can I see it. Right, and then price bought again from here. We still have price coming down here. Right, price bought from this area. Right, then we even have, I don't trust this one. I'd like to see price buy all the way up into this zone here. This daily fair value gap. Right. Then now sell from here, if possible. If we go to other time frames, maybe just go to the 1 hour. right? So we see that price is currently buying. It's buying from this order block, which is order block 2. It's a lot of liquidity was taken out on the 4-hour. So would like to see price might actually come and sell from here just a little bit, but my aim is it's taking out all this liquidity that's lying above. Okay, so let's go to GG. Right, so I think many people know that this one is my favorite pair, and it does for me. It's so consistent. I never have any problems with GJ. I wish other pairs would just behave like it. Price bought from this. I don't even know why on God's earth I missed it. Price bought from this daily order block. I don't even know why I missed. How or why I missed it. But anyway, price is already gone. It's gone. This setup is already gone. I missed it. I missed this setup. I missed it twice. Once it entered, I could have entered from here. By the grace of God, let it come back. Right? Price then. Wow. Didn't even bother coming back. See this inducement. This inducement that's here. We have an inducement that's just sitting here. Price didn't even bother coming back and tapping into that order block. Excuse me. Draw it properly. Right, so price is currently at this order block. Right, there's an order block here. It might sell, but I believe price will sell from here. Right, it will sell. I'd like to see price sell from here. Right, price must come and sell here. Then you have your fair value gap, right? Especially from here, right? I would like to see price. It's currently selling from here. Another block here. Price might actually decide to sell from there. I've got this setup here. I would like to see. Sometimes, one thing about a GJ, it doesn't behave the way other people think it to behave. It can even leave this order block and inducement. Just leave it and completely try to sell from here. Buy from here, sorry. That's what I'm seeing. It's got a habit of doing that. Yet there's a clear liquidity that's just sitting there. It will skip that liquidity. Sometimes it does that. Right. So we've got so many points where it can sell. It can buy from. Sorry. But me, I like the one with liquidity. Right. So I like the one with in liquidity. So price might actually come down and sell from there. We've got a sell side liquid. This one here is actually, if we look at it, This one here is a shift. Right? Then we've got another that's a break of structure. Right, this one is a equal low and also a break of structure. Then we also have, sorry if these lines are not straight. Break of structure. So would like to see price okay, so we don't know whether how price will behave here, but I would like to see price come here, right, buy into this zone, come here and completely go up. This is what I would like to see, and take out this buy side liquidity that's just been sitting there for a long time and it's waiting to be taken out. Okay, I believe all things will be possible provided that the JPY index responds. I would like to see something like this. I would like to see something like this for GJ, because right now GJ is responding. It's buying from this zone, like literally buying, right? It's buying from this area. There is a clean order, there is a clean, what do you call it, structure here. This order block, it's very clean, very, very clean, very clean. You see, very clean. So would like to see price it's buying from here. We predicted this last week, so like to see price do the needful. I believe it might buy all the way here. If by luck it might come back here, we buy from here to sell from here, sell down here, buy, then we go here, sell from here, then we go up if we are fortunate enough. Now let's go to the UJ. All right, UJ. Wow, you see, I told you it's got a tendency to leave this, to ignore this inducement, this order block, and to buy from here. It bought from here, right? Currently, we've got another sweet setup. We're going to enter from here. I'm waiting to enter from here. I'm going to enter from here. If I see on the daily my criteria, I'm good enough. I don't need to, go to other time frames, be using multiple time frames for once I see on the daily, I'm good. Seeing on the daily is good enough for me. It's good enough for me. I don't need extra pressure. That's the problem with some traders. They go to all time frames. Analysis is from all time frames. You're asking yourself, how do they do it? It's crazy that your analysis is from all time frames. Just need one time frame is good enough. Two to three time frames at most. 3 at most. Right? And then we have our right, sweet. We've got a balanced price range here. Sweet. This is what I'm talking about. We've got a balanced price range. We've got a balanced price range. It doesn't get better than that. We've got an order block here. Sweet. We don't need much, really. Then this is actually an internal range liquidity. An internal range liquidity. So, yeah, right. We have an internal range liquidity, right? So this is good enough. I think I'll definitely wait for price to come here, and I'll buy. I'm done. It's in an uptrend. There's nothing more to say. This is a clean break of structure. If you want to see what I'm seeing, this is a break of structure here. There we go. This is a break of structure. That's a break of structure. That's a break of structure. And yeah, we're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend. We've got our break of structures here. We're in a clean uptrend. That's about it. I'm waiting for price to come and I nail it there. So definitely buy from this one. I'm waiting for that. If we go to the 4 hour, sweet, even better. Nice. Right, whenever you see price like this, it has a balanced price range, and then inside you've got liquidity and all that kind of stuff. This is a balanced price range. Just know that price is going to definitely come and buy inside here. It will just tap a little bit, then buy. It will not even enter this whole order block, but I am confident that we are definitely going to buy from here. Right? Okay, this is our liquidity. It was taken out again, so this order block, we are safe. I have no reason whatsoever. Right. I'm waiting to buy. right? Okay, right? IRL. There we go. So I'm waiting. I'm going to enter from there, right? Alright, I'm going to enter my position from there. Okay, so I want to analyze US 30. US 30 has just been showing me a hard time, guys. We are still in the same position. Nothing much really. It's consolidating right now here. Still waiting, no updates, no nothing. For some reason, I do not know why I did not take out. I could have just collected my profits here, but I didn't. I forgot. So we're strongly waiting for US 30 to do the right thing and to go down. It's in a downtrend, no doubt. It's in a downtrend, no matter what. It is in a downtrend. So I'm going to keep holding. So that's the updates for US 30. Then SP. SP is behaving like its counterpart. It's also consolidating. It's selling actually, because it's a sell. It's sold here massively up to here. So it's actually selling. For those who are interested, they can sell. It's actually selling. Right? It's in a downtrend. Just a matter of holding. Okay, so this is the end of our weekly review. Yo, if you have anything you want to ask, please let me know. Kindly also subscribe to the YouTube channel and write your comments, and stay tuned for more daily updates and insights into the forex market. By the way, I'm not gonna do gold. I think I haven't been trading gold for a very long time, so I don't know. I'm not really into gold these days. Yes, I haven't really paid attention to gold in a long time. I'm not yet settled enough to start trading gold. That's the truth. I rarely trade gold. So for those asking me, but you don't do gold. Yeah, not yet. I'm still studying it. It showed me a very hard time. So gold is not my best friend. And it's not something that I've started to do. So for those who have been asking me questions as to why I haven't been trading gold, I think I've answered them now. It behaves somehow. That's why I don't like it. Yeah. So I haven't been trading it, and I have not started trading it. So people should just relax. All right.